It's your boy, the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. Today, we are back with another smoker. I'm going to talk about how Dogecoin is going to have massive gains this bull run. So make sure you keep it locked, and let's talk. Let's hop into these charts.
This Doge chart and show going to analyze this Doge chart and show how that it could possibly reach between $9 and $10 during this next bull cycle. Now, have an open mind. I definitely understand that we're only at 38 cents. However, I'm going to paint a picture for you that shows that it could possibly reach between $9 and $10 during this next bull cycle. Now, obviously, we are in an uptrend on Doge. Doge is one of the most popular meme coins. Okay. Now, the first thing that I want to point out is that before every bull run with Doge, we are in a triangle pattern. As you can see here, triangle pattern followed by a breakout. And then also here, a triangle pattern followed by a breakout. And then lastly, we are here, another triangle pattern followed by a breakout. Now, the next thing that I do is measure the actual size of the bull runs. Okay. We go from the base of the triangle to the top of the bull run. Now, I'm going to drag this over and we're going to measure the size of these bull runs. So as you can see here, it's the same or about the same size, a little bit larger as the previous bull run from where we are now. Now, if we drag this over to the base of this triangle, this puts us at around $10, okay, currently as the possible price level that Doge reaches in this coming bull run. Now, the next thing that I like to do is use the Fibonacci and reverse the Fibonacci to give me possible price levels. Now, when I say reverse the Fibonacci, I come into the settings and I click the reverse button, reversing it from its natural state. Now, the price target that I love to use, and that's my bread and butter with the Fibonacci, is the 141. The 141 is a lot more accurate for me than the 161 and anything after. Now, if it goes past the 141, great. If it doesn't, that's okay. Now, if you look, the 141 actually lines up with the size of the previous bull run. And we can actually back test this, right? If we go back to the original bull run on Doge, and as you can see here, we actually broke the 141, went to the 161, and then we went into correction territory. Now, there are several other things to point out with Doge. You know, we have a new administration that is coming in that is pro cryptocurrency. You know, today, which is actually December 3rd, we had the congressmen and congresswomen that were voted into office that are, a lot of them are pro cryptocurrency, and they started today. Okay. In addition to that, the United States has a Doge office that will be coming up next or this year, called the Department of Government Efficiency, which is named after Doge. So when you really look at the playing field that's being set up right now, where it's pro cryptocurrency, we know that we are going to have more money flowing into the cryptocurrency market because of ETFs, because of, BlackRock and these larger institutions. We're going to have a larger market cap in the overall altcoin and cryptocurrency market. Now, here's another thing that everyone should pay attention to, and that is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as of right now, we are in a bullish triangle and we've had a breakout. So that means that when we have the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, the altcoin market is starting to have bullish momentum. Now, if we head over to the Bitcoin dominance chart, the Bitcoin dominance is in a bearish pattern. Okay. And when Bitcoin loses dominance, that's when we have a major bull market in the altcoin market. And the altcoin market also includes meme coins. Okay. So we could possibly see a $10 Dogecoin during this next bull market. It's most definitely not off the table. Now we know that Doge doesn't have any real utility. However, it is the most popular cryptocurrency to date.
Now, I've gotten countless emails and comments and Instagram requests in reference to this one meme coin, the fart coin. Now, before I go any further, these meme coins aren't really or should not really be taken serious. And I totally understand that you see sometimes when Elon Musk will subtweet a meme coin and it'll go 1,000% or so. And as you can see, fart coin has also been going crazy. But don't risk more money than you are willing to lose. Just like if you're at a casino, when it comes to meme coins, because they have no real utility. But I got a lot of people that request technical analysis on Fartcoin. So I'm going to do it for you all just to give you all some insight and information on it. Well, insight, but not information, because I have no clue what this Fartcoin thing is about, but I'm a chartist specialized in chart patterns. So let's talk and let's hop into these charts. Now, the first thing I noticed that jumps out to me just from looking at this chart is we're riding obviously a trend straight up, right? And you can take advantage of this trend by obviously waiting for price to come down to a low along the trend line. Now, here's the other thing. You have a high right here and then a break, okay? You have another high right here followed by a break. So as far as an entry on this, I would wait until price drops down and possibly returns and gets closer to this trend line. Now, when it comes to price targets, okay, I use the Fibonacci, right? I use it and I reverse it to give me price targets. So let me just show you. And from looking at this, I can tell that this high right here is the 141 fib level, which when I reverse the fib, the 141 is always my very first price target because it is the most accurate out of all the fib levels when you are using it to project a target. So I'll take the fib from this low to this high. And boom, as you can see right here, we are very close to the 141. You know, right now we're at $1.53 and the fib level is $1.61. So we're very close to hitting this first fib target. Now, the next target is $3.04, which is very possible. I mean, just look from when this thing started in October of 2024. And, you know, it was at 1 cent. Now it is at $1.53. So, you know, that's a pretty significant gain. That's not bad at all. Now, if I were to have to reproject another target from here using the fib, this is what I would do. Come to the very next low, to the last high. Okay, we obviously had a breakout from this high, but I'm going to use it. So using the 141, I would look at $3.31 for Fartcoin to hit as the next target. Now, this is a meme coin. I don't really take these things serious, but with the amount of money that pumps into these things and the way that these kids and, you know, people on Twitter take these things serious and pump them, obviously to get people to come in and provide them liquidity to exit, you really never know. The fact that this thing went from 1 cent to $1.53. Now, also looking at this, it's obvious that this thing is ready for some sort of a correction. Who knows if we will have it? It's kind of hard to tell. Again, you know, this is there's not enough previous history to even really do any further analysis. This is really something that is just pure fun and speculation. That's all it is. Fun, speculation, and straight gambling. Now, like, again, if somebody were to want to enter this, I would just wait for a pullback into this trend area, put a few dollars in there that you can afford to lose, and then ride it up to $3.17 and then exit from there. That's about it. And, you know, this is kind of a weird one for me because, again, I don't really buy too many meme coins. The last one that I actually bought was Doge and Shiba Inu. Those are really the only two. But this fart coin, personally, I think what we will see happen, it will make its way to the major exchanges like Bonk did. I actually bought some Bonk too, but I think it will always look at Uphold. The Uphold wallet kind of lets you know which cryptos are going to go from, to the major exchanges. So it'll pop up on Uphold first, and then you'll see it on like a crypto.com and then Coinbase. And then that's normally when you start getting a lot more liquidity into it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I may publish this on my Trading View. Drop down in the description if you don't have this charting software, Trading View. It's you can sign up for free. It's limited, but then once you get a subscription, you can get access to more features. Now before we end it off, we gotta look at the crypto bubbles. As you can see on the week, Fartcoin is up 71.9%. Again, I can't knock it. I really can't knock it. It is what it is, and based off of the feedback that I get from a lot of people, I can tell people love it, right? So I can't really knock it. But anyway, I appreciate you all watching. Shout out to all my crypto goons, and keep it locked, man. I'll publish this idea on TradingView, and we'll see what happens, right? But I appreciate you all tapping in. Crypto Goon out.